My name is Prashant Prafulla Desai, Standard 4. My school name is Central School Nagaon. Ram is clever boy. He is eating an orange. April comes before May. February comes after January. He was reading the book. The tortoise looked slowly. Rohan won the match. Malla was a fisherman. Fish lives in water. There are two birds. Sham likes vada pav. My hobby is swimming. Carrom is indoor game. Cricket is outdoor game. The blackboard is black. The parrot and fish leaves are green. Raju's book is on the table. My pen is in the school bag. Water bottle is under the chair. Can you help me please? Thank you.
Very nice.